The hell? I hear something. It's pretty early. I wonder what. See, what the hell? Maybe that's a train or something. Cause there's I don't know. There's like this train that hauls stuff close by this area. Doesn't really sound like a train though. A broken train. What the hell? Yo, that's really weird, man. What? That's weird, man. Yeah, I'm getting creeped out right now, man. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it now, man.